Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video we are going to be unboxing this planner from, I think it's Clever Fox. Yep, Clever Fox. You can find them on Amazon. I am going to have a discount code. It is an affiliate code, just to be fully transparent. That just means that I receive a small commission if you do choose to buy it. And if you don't want to use the affiliate code, you can just search Clever Fox on Amazon and purchase it like that way, the normal way. But yeah, I am so happy that they reached out to me because I'm so excited. So they like asked you to pick 3 things, and I guess they pick out of the 3 things, and I didn't think I was gonna get this. So let's get into it, and then we can actually transfer my information from this into here. All right, so this is how it comes, like after you take it out the Amazon package. Also, my dishwasher's running, so I apologize. This is just so nice. Okay, so there's the box. Stay organized, stay clever. Oh, these are like, I think, envelopes. It's looking like. So it comes with 5 envelopes. Some silica gel, that's nice. This is like a quick start guide. Shows you all the things that's on the inside. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I really hope this is undated. Oh, okay. Oh my god, and it comes with stickers. Why do stickers get me? Like, I have stickers on almost every page. Like, let me see if I can get it. All right, so this is my journal. This is the outside of my journal. I didn't put any in the back. Oh, maybe I should. And then literally the blank page, when you open it, stickers. I have a little table of contents, and then without showing too much information, I have some special cards. You know, anything that I could turn into a memory, I do. I'm only 28 years old, and I don't know how to explain this. Like, I'm gonna try my best, but like, I've seen a few people go through dementia, Alzheimer's, and my biggest fear is that one day down the road in life, if God allows me to and blesses me to make it that far in my life, and memory is important to me. Like, I'm a very in thought person, so there's never a time where there's nothing on my mind. And even if I'm just reminiscing about my past, these are like my memories that one day, if I ever get to that point where I forget, and when I read, for me, I feel like I'm in that experience, like in that moment. Even reading books, like I can visually put myself in those scenarios as if I'm literally watching it like a movie. So yes, I do journal, and I love to journal, and it's also like therapy for me. Oh yeah, talking about that, yeah, like my last therapy session was like maybe a month ago, and I'm so happy because, you know what she said to me? She's like, I've seen the growth in you, like you've come so far from where you were before. And she was referencing like my previous relationship. She's like, you could see how you weren't happy and how it was like dragging you down, and I could see such a big difference in you. You look more happy. I'm not taking my antidepressants anymore. I'm not taking my anxiety meds anymore. I am at such a good place in my life where I am just literally able to cope with whatever comes my way. I have a complete understanding that this is life and things happen. And realistically, when things happen, you have to find a solution for yourself, because nobody's gonna find a solution for you. So with that being said, I am in a very good space, and I want to give a big shout out to anyone and everyone who journals and also is in the same place with me. Like, girl, you're not alone. Like, things happen in life. All right, so let's get back to this. Clever Fox warranty card. So these are the 2 sheets of stickers it comes with. How cute. Oh my god, this is so bad. This is so bad, because this is already the 2nd sheet of stickers that I have for like planning, and I already can tell this could be very dangerous for someone like me, because I love stickers. And I'm gonna show you an example right now, so you know that I'm not like exaggerating. So I have phases, like I'll drift between beauty and makeup, and then nails. I have different interests, and they just shift. They're never like coexist with each other, if that makes any sense. So when I was in my nail phase, I'm just gonna grab like a pinch of what I got, because I have so many, like they just fall out my hand if I try grabbing them all. But I got so bad with purchasing nail decals, nail stickers, water decal. Like, the stack is like this thick. It's a little bit crazy, but when I want to do something a little spicy on my nails, I have variety. That is me trying to. This is their large undated monthly budget planner, and it is spiral bound. It's like copper, kind of like a rose goldy copper spiral, but the rose gold book is like hardcover, and it just has this nice like shine to it. Oh, why am I so excited? I can't. So it has a sheet for financial goals. I really like this, because I feel like when you can see your goals visually, it just makes you want to work harder to them, like work harder towards them. My strategy, new skills, affirmations, actions, important dates, month and year, monthly budget, expense tracker. You got a few of those, and then a monthly budget review with a nice little graphic chart. I don't know about all of that, but oh, a notes and ideas page. It's dotted, and then it starts over for the next month. And yeah, it's undated, so you can use this whenever you want. Like, I don't want to waste it, so I might use it for next year, because I already have this planner, and this was not cheap, and I want to utilize it as much as I can. So I think I'll use the Clever Fox one in 2025, but from first impressions and what I can tell, this is really good quality, and I'm so excited to use it. So yeah, that is the Happy Meal. So I think I'm gonna keep it in the box, nice and safe. I'm gonna be so tempted to use these. No. So there it is, packaged back up nicely. Everything in the box. Also, I did want to say I'm going to be coming out with a new color of blinged pens. I haven't done it yet, but by the time I get to editing this video, I should have a picture of it and have it done. I'm gonna do one today. And it's transparent AB, and I just feel like this is so like elegant. Let's see if you could tell the difference. So this is I forgot what it's called. I'll write it on the screen. I think it's like AB, just crystal AB. Yeah, it might be crystal AB. I don't know if you could tell the difference, but this one has more of a transparent look. It's not silver, it still has like that AB shine, but I don't know how to explain it. It just looks so pretty. So I can't wait, and those will be posted also probably by the time that you see this video. But that brings this video to an end. I hope it wasn't too long. So yeah, drop a thumbs up, comment down below, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And always, guys, are staying safe, staying blessed, having an amazing day or night, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Bye. So now I don't have that $20. So now it's $220. I gotta know what size this is. Did I stop the video? Why did I even stop the video?